Before you hire a contractor, ask this one question to protect your home and wallet. Do they have errors and omissions insurance? Or they can show you insurance, but you always want to call and verify the insurance, but then you also want to call while you're verifying and asking them, hey, does this contractor have errors and omissions including this insurance? Why is that important? Because in the event that the contractor vandalizes something or you need to come after them to recoup damages, if they don't have that type of coverage in their insurance, then the insurance company is not going to pay you anything and it's going to be a waste of your time. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're hiring contractors. You see, this was a new construction we built. This was land and just grass when we first purchased this, but now you see we built this nice home on here. But that's one thing to be aware of when you're hiring a contractor, because if this would have went wrong, we would have had to sue that contractor, or we would have had to go after their insurance to recoup damages, and they didn't have errors and omissions. It would have been a waste of our time, and then the cost would have been on us. So follow me for more tips and make sure that you are checking these contractors out to protect yourself.